Who out there wants $500 cash? And your winner of the $500 cash is the Ace of Clubs. That's you. Big winner right there. Without further ado, it's showtime. Come on, boys. Now 75, 600, and now
You've helped raise a lot of money for future adopted cats and future cats that need to get the testing done so they can be ready to be adoptable. But now it's time to move the needle.
Who out there would like to be $1,000 community leader tonight? Oh my goodness, what's that number? Number 149 is taking us off the back for $1,000. Who would like to match that $1,000 gift to get us to $2,000 raised? My goodness, number 137, Brady. Yes, she did. Yeah. Incredible. Incredible. It's not the size of the room that